If you are bored with drinking just plain water and you don't know what other options you have on ketogenic diet, this video is for you. Today I am going to show you what drinks I love and what you can drink so you can enjoy your beverages and also you can stay hydrated all day long. I have a small tip for you. It's probably obvious for you, but sometimes if you add just ice to your plain water, it makes a difference. If you enjoy having bubbles in your drink, carbonated water is for you. Many people, including me, find carbonated water tastes better and also it's easier to drink. I love plain water, but also we have flavor sparkling water. So far I found LaCroix the best keto compliant carbonated water. They have so many flavors. They also provide seasonal flavors, so that's why I love this brand. You don't need to only drink this water, this brand. You can also, write in the comment what other brands you like, and so we can share with people. Okay, this one so far is the best, and I enjoy the flavors. Remember, if you want to get a different brand, read the label. Check the total carb. If it's 0, that's okay. Sometimes you can find some brands add juice, so that's why the drink automatically is not keto compliant. You can also add apple cider vinegar to sparkling water to stabilize sugar level and also help with digestion. But not everyone can drink it, so before you start drinking every day, just try. You can also drink tea, plain tea or unsweetened tea blends. I love tea, I have so many of them. Remember, teas are perfect on ketogenic diet because they have 0 carbohydrates. Try to avoid teas with fruit in them or sweetened teas or dessert teas because usually they contain ingredients which are not keto compliant. And the best part, tea has a lot of health benefits. So for example, with drinking a green tea, you can decrease inflammation in your body and sometimes speed up weight loss. Yeah. If you drink coffee, coffee is totally fine, but remember, don't drink a lot of cups of coffee because has also downsides. But I love coffee, I am drinking, but I know coffee is not for everyone. I also have a great news for you. You can drink soda on ketogenic diet. Yes. The healthiest alternative to soda and diet sodas is Zevia. You know why? Because it's sweetened with stevia. They have a lot of flavors I love so much. They have also version for kids. I don't have it right now, but Maya loves so much. They have also tea options, so yes, try to get next time when you go to the store this brand. Okay guys, I have also something very delicious to share with you. Everly came up with such a nice keto compliance drink. This product is sweetened with stevia and erythritol. They have so many flavors, so if you want to try them, I will post the link below the video and there's a coupon for you. You can try it because I really enjoy, my family loves, so I hope you like it too. Alright, so the last options you have is you can make some homemade recipes and enjoy your drink. I have already blackberry mocktail on my YouTube library, so you need to check this out, and also virgin margarita and cucumber lemonade. So if you want to try those drinks, please check my other videos. So this is pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have some idea or you know some products that are totally keto compliant, please share with us so more people can know what type of drinks you enjoy it as well, okay? Because my channel, it's for you guys. I just wanna make keto diet easy for you. So thank you so much for watching. Please put thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will be looking forward to see you in the next one. Bye.